If you've ever needed to move a ton of water and fast with no outlet around, whether it's for a service call, a flooded crawl space, or yeah, I guess even to fill a pool in the back of your pickup,
this is DEWALT's answer to that exact challenge. The 20-volt max transfer pump, model DCE050B. Cordless, compact, and built for the real job site performances.
You're getting up to 10 gallons per minute with clean water. That's 20% more flow than some of the other transfer pumps that have been on the market for years.
And it has serious lift. 25 feet of vertical suction and a maximum head height of 45 feet. Even at that height, it's still pushing 4.5 gallons per minute. That's like pumping water up 3 stories.
Whoa. We were curious about that, so we tested it ourselves with a full 25-foot vertical pull. No stalling, no struggling, it just worked. Fast, powerful, and effective.
Now let's talk about noise, because that matters. While we don't have our own sound lab to test that out ourselves, we got some feedback that it runs at about 75 to 85 decibels, so while it's similar to your average vacuum cleaner, it's not outrageous.
Let's see it in action.
This is what job site efficiency looks like. Fast setup, fast teardown, fast results. Whether you're draining water heaters, flushing hydronic systems, or clearing out a flooded crawl space, this pump moves water so you can move on.
And here's something that really stood out based on feedback we've been seeing. Dry run protection. Several users reported that after letting the pump run dry for 2 minutes, the thermal protection kicked in and shut the unit off automatically.
That kind of thermal safeguard makes a big difference. No impeller damage, no overheating, no burnout, just smart shut off when the job's done or the water's gone.
It also comes equipped with the clear view impeller window so you can spot debris or sediment before it becomes a problem.
And while it doesn't include a suction side filter out of the box, it does support aftermarket filters, perfect for mucky water in meter boxes or sumps. That flexibility really helps in rougher environments.
It can handle mixes up to 60% water, 40% propylene glycol for HVAC and refrigeration applications. However, it is not suitable for saltwater or oil.
Also, we know we will get questions about whether it can move gas, oil, or other flammable liquids. But understand, any pump or container rated to hold fuel goes through much different testing than those rated for water. If something was rated for transferring gas, it would be big on the box, and the manufacturer would be very happy to tell us all about it.
The battery bay fits everything from a compact 20-volt max up to the beefy flex-volt packs. So if you're already in DEWALT's cordless platform, you are ready to go.
It's also Tool Connect tag ready, so if you're running fleet tools or tracking equipment on a job site, you can tag it and manage it with DEWALT Site Manager.
Cleanup is simple. Just 4 little screws to open it up and you're in. Check the impeller, clear out debris, and get back to the job.
Storage is easy too. The pump is compact, lightweight, and under 10 pounds. And it doesn't hog space in your truck or on your shelf. Plus, the flat bottom design and rear stand keep it stable wherever you drop it.
Now let's recap. Up to 10 gallons per minute, 25-foot lift, 45-foot head height, runs on 20-volt batteries, auto shut-off when dry,
self-priming, mixes up to 60% water, 40% propylene glycol, compact, easy to clean, easy to store.
Whether you're a plumber, HVAC tech, or just need a solid water-moving solution for your truck, the DCE050B transfer pump is a smart investment.
If this helped you out or gave you something new to think about, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you stay ahead of the newest tools.
Got more questions? Drop them in the comments down below.
Stay productive,
stay ahead, and always trust the Ohio Power Tool for your next big job.
Did you like that video? Would you like more?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you.
My bad.
If you liked the video and would like more, make sure you like and subscribe this one and slap that notification bell.
And if you have any questions, just give us a call or email us. We even have fax if you're into that.
And if you're still doom scrolling, make sure you check out one of these videos here.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I like the curl.